They're the two best friends anyone's ever had.
He's gonna get you. Woo-wee! Ooh, that thing will tear you up.
Maverick, why are you shaking? You see that puppy over there?
Come on.
Hello? What are you doing? Want it?
So how are you coping with all the fame? Oh, Jesus.
Hey, Blue, we're gonna tell the people of Instagram. What is that? Huh? Oh, did you eat my cabinet?
Did you say sorry? No, you did not. You did not say sorry.
Steven! I thought you were dead!
So good and tasty.
Look at my man. Look at my motherfucking boy, man. Nigga sick as hell.
Pa. Thanks, Jasper.
You ought to be videoing that one.
I am. She's in a circus.
Dude.
Open the door or I'm going to throw rocks through your window.
Where is Stella? Huh? Stella, come here. How did she get there, Luna?
Elvis, get the fuck back in this house right now. Get.
Chris, do your eyes. Make them small. Make them real small.
What's up, buddy?
Ow! Ow! Ow!
Just a little bite.
please?
Hi. What are you doing under there?
Good try.
What is going on, Cindy?
I have been looking for this dog for a half an hour. Benzie! Benzie, I have been calling your name.
Burger. Hi, baby.
Dude!
Like an endless ball of energy, this dog.
Here it goes! What is this dog?
Hi, Mama. Nigga.
I know. Where did she get that? Come here, Stella.
Stop kicking me. Stop. Stop.
What did you bring to shore? Are you kidding me? What is that?
Ma!
Wow. Little chunkers. Little chunkers, huh?
He's got the zoomies. Oh my god. What the dude.
Oh God.
Just get off my tray.
Him just wants some scatty.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Oreo. Hey.
Good boy. Go. Hey, more passion. More passion. More passion. More energy. More energy. More footwork. More footwork. More footwork. More passion.
Have you got on him? Why are you growling?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
¿Quién hizo esto? ¿Quién lo hizo? Who chewed it up?
Ziggy gang in this motherfucker. No! No, bitch! Nigga, what the fuck?
Smile. Sit. Your ears are flipped, duders. Walter, come here. Come here, buddy. Look out. Oh, poor.
I think these guys are playing tug of war, but I'm not sure. Not quite sure. You tell him, Angus.
Would you like to go watching the movies with Daddy? Is that a yes?
Are you proud? Yes.
Pra que fez isso, Janete? Estragou todo o sofá!
You have 800 followers on TikTok. How do you feel about that? You say thank you? Yeah, say thank you, everyone. Excuse me.
No puedo creer eso. No puedo creer esto, en serio.
Do you have a dog? Yeah, he's small, but he doesn't bite. Okay.
You woke yourself up, baby.
Do you want to go and get a treat? And then we'll go get a treat and we'll have dinner. And I'll make you dinner.
What are you doing?
Hey, Sylvester.
Ball.
Okay, come inside. Larry, it's get in the house. I have to go out. Come on. You stubborn husky. Get inside. You're such a jerk sometimes. Oh my god.
Yay!
Ace, Grandma wants to talk to you. You know what? I'm about tired of you and your little attitude. Why be so disrespectful? Why?
Come here. I'm going to crack this egg.
The dog stole Kane's paddle. And you can hear the kid in the background screaming, "Give me my paddle."
Want some cookies? Okay.
Paul? 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 Paul?
Marley, what do you think you're doing? No!
Two, one.
Tú no le puedes gritar nada más con la misma mano. ¡Con mi mamá no! ¡Con mi mamá no!
Pues es que me mereces.
No, con mi mamá no.
Get ready for church. You gotta all...
Dasher, it's not that much water, bud. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Good job. Good job.
Jackson, drop the bone. Meatball.
Oh, Dad. Is that nice?
Come here. Come here. I'm gonna call Daddy. Cody! Cody!
What, my intel is no good? No, it's no good. See, I think it is. Because she confirmed that not only Justin.
Get down! Get down!
He hates me, but he wants me to help him up. Let's go up. Oh, he don't want to. Wait, let me see. Wait. Hey. Hey. Oh, no! Chill. We're going to go play.
Come here. Come here, Lola. Come here. Cô nào đi à?
Right here, if you don't mind. Shh.
Hello, how are you today? Hello, how are you today? Hello, how are you?
Freaking mouse in your mouth. No, you drop that now. Pickles, drop it.
Me cuesta trabajo entender cómo de verdad hay gente que todavía no entiende la puta vibra, güey. Pepper.
Mời không á? Gosh, there's so many of them.
Wait, I'm not done.
Okay, well.
Thank you.
Kidnap, bro.
She does not like the vacuum cleaner.
Okay, get up. It's time to go downstairs. Let's go. That is not getting up. Come on, you gotta get
What are you doing?
Are you okay? Oh. Oh my gosh.
Both hands on top of the dough and use your body weight to push the dough into itself. Use a scraper to pull the dough off the board if it sticks. Then sprinkle a little more flour onto the dough.
Bro!
I thought today was your day with the brain cell. What happened? Your turn got skipped again?
Did you go potty in the house? Did you?
You did?
Bubba? Stop.
I think I like this little dog.
Goofball to guard dog.
Did you eat this marker? Then how come there's blue all over your hands? And your face? Did you eat it? Billy thinks you ate it.
Ow, ow.
We have to go take a bath. You have to go take a
Come on, let's eat. Come on. Come on. Boy. And then now see, but all together but fun time.
Rispondi a questi gatti. Bravo, ma che vuoi? Diglielo.
Hey. Come here. Sniffs. Come here. Sniff it. Sniff it. You like that one? Does it sniffs good? Does it sniffs good?
Ever seen my life? Oh.
What's wrong, Mook? What's wrong?
Cooper.
Oh, now brother needs mom too. Mom is always needed.